Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix camera problem in your device OPPO A60. In this device if camera is not working, I'm going to show you how to solve this problem. Before jumping to the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Make sure to watch complete video and learn how you can do it. Let's watch the video.